Hello everyone, I am Mitali and I welcome you all to my channel. It's Magic. Learning is fun, learning is magic. Today I am going to show you an experiment which is based on turmeric. Turmeric, a natural indicator. The material we require: turmeric powder, detergent powder, lemon and water. First, we are going to prepare a turmeric art. And you can check what I have done and how I have used this turmeric art to check whether the substances are basic or acidic. First, I will make the paste of turmeric powder, adding few drops of water. After adding water and turmeric powder, stir it well. Now this turmeric paste I will apply with the help of cotton to this paper. Apply it gently. Let it be dry for some time. Till that, what we can do? We can make a detergent solution. Add water in the detergent powder and stir it well. Now take a lemon and squeeze it for a juice. Let's do activity with the help of ready solutions. First we will go with lemon juice on turmeric paper. You can see the paper turns yellow as it was before. There is no changes in color. Let us do with the base detergent solution. See here the color change. The color changes to reddish brown. It indicates the presence of basic solution. From this activity, it is confirmed that from acidic solution turmeric paper remains yellow as before, and from the basic solution it's change in reddish brown color. This is the magic of science. Let's do an experiment. Take turmeric powder, add water in it, now add detergent solution and turmeric solution. Now see the change of color. Yes, the yellow color changes into reddish brown color. Now add lemon juice. See, the color is changed to yellow again. Wow, this is magic or this is science. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is yellow in color. Turmeric solution turns reddish brown with a base. Turmeric does not change color with acid. Hope you all liked this activity. Now it's time to say bye. See you soon.